Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken Florentine. You will need 1 pound of chicken breast, 12 ounces of penne pasta, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 2.5 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 2 cups of spinach, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add your water and 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot, then bring to a boil. Now add your pasta and allow it to cook for 11 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 11 minutes, remove your pasta from the heat and rinse it with cold water. Now season your chicken with the remaining 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and garlic powder. Using medium heat, bring a pan to temperature, then add the olive oil. Add your chicken and allow it to cook for 10 minutes or until it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. After 10 minutes, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside until later. Using the same pan, saute your garlic and tomatoes. Add the rice vinegar and continue to saute until your tomatoes have softened. Now add the heavy cream. Add the pasta and return the chicken to the pan and mix well. Now add the Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese and mix well. Season with your red pepper flakes, oregano, and your remaining black pepper and mix well. Now add the parsley and spinach and mix until well combined. Reduce your heat to low, then allow it to simmer for an additional 5 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.